I get it. You need funding fast. So, are you ready to join the fast track to finding the grant funding that your nonprofit urgently needs? If so, I'm excited to announce a special 1.5 hour workshop called Fast Track Funding Insights. You can stop waiting and start winning the funding that you need. Because in this focus session on Wednesday, June 4th at 11 a.m. Central Time, you'll gain access to insider strategies to efficiently identify and connect with grant funders who are the right fit for your mission and the vital services that you provide. We'll cut through the noise and we'll focus on actionable techniques that can help you discover opportunities you might be missing. Here's what you'll learn. One, how to pinpoint the types of funders most likely to support your work. Two, effective and often overlooked search strategies to uncover grant opportunities quickly. Three, key indicators of funder alignment and priorities. And four, how to make a strong first impression and build connections. For a limited time, I'm offering this invaluable workshop for just $75 to the first 20 people who register. It's regularly $150. This is your chance to gain insider knowledge and accelerate your fundraising success at an incredible value. So don't miss this urgent opportunity to save time and effort in your grant search, increase your chances of securing crucial funding, and gain a competitive edge with insider strategies. Are you ready to find the grant funding your nonprofit deserves? Register today. And if you're among the first 20 registrants, you can use the coupon code FIRST, FIRST, for 50% off. I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday, June 4th. Take care.